Alright, job of the day. Customer has a battery that I'm swapping out. Swapping that battery for that battery, redoing the grounds, redoing the connections, and then I got to wire up his solenoid correctly. Looks like this post needs to ground to there, and then I'll check and make sure everything's working. What are you working on, Atticus? Working on a hammer? Just cleaning up the ground surface, and then it's also going to ground through the frame. Yes, sir. Nice, dude, you got it. That's gonna stay on there. Okay, I probably need that bolt, Atticus. I'm gonna walk around. Oh. All right, my friend, can I have that bolt, please?
Yeah, you can.
Here, hand it to me. Oh, thanks, sir. Ground wire go. So we got our negative, Atticus. Negative? Yeah. That's what it's called. A negative wire. Not negative?
Atticus.
Oh, well, I'm not saying your name. I'm saying that this is the negative side of the battery.
Oh, that's why you...
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yeah. I see that.
And his truck reflection? Okay, we got the bolt in.
Oh, we got bolt in.
Yep, 1/2 inch.
Yeah.
Good, way better.
And we got it.
And then we got his battery going in. Good, battery's in, Atticus. We do need a 9/16, I think, for this terminal. Is this 9/16? Yes. It is 1/2 inch.
Can I have the wrench?
You have a wrench in your hand.
Oh, I need that wrench.
You want this wrench specifically?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'll change you.
You'll trade me?
Yeah.
Is that a 1/2 inch? No, that's 7/16.
1896.
1896?
Yeah.
Oh man, I didn't even know that was a measurement. I got my little jumper for ground. Goes on there. I literally just had the lock washer. Did I put it back on? I did. Oh, there it is. Lock washer, good. Come on, nut. This goes around. This goes into that. Thread started, please. 7/16. Yeah, buddy.
Go to the other side. Or you go to that side.
I know you want to go to the other side, bud. I want you to stay on this side, please.
I want to go.
Understand. When I get over there, you can go over there, okay?
Okay. Is that over?
Oh man, using the correct tool. It's gonna be better. Tight, that's grounded, yes. Yes, let's hook up power and see if it works. Here you go, Atticus. Hey, where's your hammer? Your hammer? May I have it? Thank you, sir, that's what I needed. That one's on, and negative is on. 7/16. And we fixed it. We ran that solenoid ground good, new cables, new batteries installed. Goes up, comes down, perfect. Dude, good job. And now we need to fix the lights, Atticus. We got everything blinking while it's plugged in. And that usually leads me to believe it's a ground issue. So let's find if it's a ground issue. Where's the ground? Ground goes to there and grounds onto the frame. Those butt connectors look like they're okay. Let's open up this plug and see what this plug looks like. I need a flathead and a big screwdriver. All right, we got his plug plugged in. His connections look good on the plug side. I was just checking to see the connections here. We got marker lights. Find the marker light wire. There we go. See if I can get my pokey in there. Okay, I got good power to that. Lights on? No, no lights. Let's do right turn. Right turn is good, getting good power. Let's do left turn. Left turn is good, got good power. Still showing open circuit. So I'm assuming all these connections are good. Ground is good. I'm grounding off the trailer ground. So let's open up the back and see if I'm getting power, and then we'll see if it's the lights. Now we're at the back. Okay, I got right turn on. Am I getting good power to the back? I am getting good power to the back. What about tail lights? No, wait. Yeah, tail lights. I'm getting good power there. Could just be this trailer light. There we go. Fix it. It was just a bad connection inside this. What about tail markers? Tail markers? I know it's getting power. Oh, that looks pretty burned right there. Looks like it got super hot right here. Okay, well, right turn. Okay, right turn's working. Why is his marker light not working? Which could just be a burnt. Let's see what these are like. Oh, nasty. That bulb is done. Okay, that's why this side's not working. Let me see if I have some extra lights. Hey, got it working. It's grounded. Let's do marker lights. Marker lights are working. Okay, so it is just these lights. Do a quote for the customer. New LED is on the back. Let's check right turn and tail and then work on the left side. Right turn is good. Tail. I think I messed up. I did. Put it on the wrong one. Oh, crackers. All right. Yes, I did. What are you doing? All right, good right turn. Good tail markers. Let's change out the driver's side. That bulb got all burnt out. It's got hot. Put a new one on now. Oh, I need the other washer. Where'd that go? Let's grab another one from here. All right, I got the driver's side on. Tail's on. Good. Let's do left turn. Left turn is on and working. Sweet. Backs work. Let's do brake lights for the heck of it. Brake lights work. All right, I'm gonna grab my heat gun, shrink wrap that, and zip tie it up so it doesn't get caught on anything. Tape all this back up for him. There's nothing wrong with this. Oh, toss them in there. Everything goes up and down. All right, this job's done. I put a new battery in that he grabbed, put new cables on that he grabbed as well. So new power cable, new ground cable. I redid the ground to the frame. I put a new ground from the solenoid to the body. Everything works, goes up and down. This goes up and down. Up and comes down. I changed the two lights on the rear. He's got left turn, right turn, and tail markers now. His wiring in the front was fine. I electrical taped that, and I shrunk wrapped the butt connectors in the rear. He's good to go, and I'm on to the next.